Hey Jessica, I think your standards guide looks like a industry professional did it. Um, I love the colors. Your logo is really strong. So my only note is just about being consistent with spacing. Let me tell you what I'm talking about here. Okay, so these paragraphs have about one return in between them, right? This also looks about that way. Let me see the space. I know this sounds super picky, but this is kind of what you do as a designer. So this is, let's say, about a centimeter. This is about 2 centimeters. So you want to be super consistent with the spacing. In design, the best designs are the ones that are consistent all the way through. They're consistent with type, color, font, as well as spacing. So duplicate that spacing. Also, as far as layout, this this looks a little weird because the green seems to be on stage a bit, but these two colors look like secondary colors because of the way they're sort of grouped together away from the green. That's fine if that's your intention, but if it's not your intention, try to make the spacing very consistent between these three. And I'm not sure how you would do it. It almost you could align this, this, and this, and that would look tight. And then perhaps left align the numbers. That's one way you can make it look consistent. So again, pay attention to where this list starts, and then look at the spacing between each number. And then you can see down here, see what I'm talking about? The spacing is much different. And then right here, this is also different. So just be consistent with that stuff. It'll make it really tight. All right. Multimedia never. I wonder if you could add something else to this page. You could just make up something about the paper that is only allowed in print documentation. I don't know. I'm sure you feel done with this though at this point. But, think about it, add more to it eventually. Just want to make this look like a serious, heavy duty document. And it looks fantastic. Just fix those little things and you'll be set. Let me know if you have any questions.